Been walking on the sidewalk and you see like sorry, my eyes are all over the place because I'm looking there. That's like Casey Neistat wears sunglasses, doing this on my phone. But anyway, why they're a trip hazard, like where a sidewalk is raised because of tree roots or settling, usually tree roots, but one section of concrete's higher than the other and it becomes a trip hazard. At what point does it become a trip hazard? And how do they fix it? Getting ready to answer those questions for you.
Okay, so if a sidewalk is raised more than a quarter of an inch, according to the Americans with Disabilities Act, that is a trip hazard and needs to be ground down, which you can see what they've done here. They ground this side over here on that part of the sidewalk and the other side over here. Usually this is caused by tree roots. You see a tree there, raises that sidewalk and then, creates a trip hazard. And you can see a couple more places here. It's ground down there as well because it was raised more than a quarter of an inch. Here, this tree right here, I think they literally just busted out that section and redid it. Sometimes it'll crack it up and create tripping hazards that need to be ground down. But let me go back and you can see where it's been. They got a grinder and ground it down so that there's not a trip hazard now. But the usual culprit for that is a tree roots lift up the concrete, and again, if it raises it more than a quarter of an inch, that is going to be a problem. Americans with Disabilities Act says it has to be fixed. Preston Sandler with Home Inspection Carolina. Thank you for watching.